In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct address information on Zillow. 2026 Guide. Accurate address data keeps properties searchable and pinned to the right spot on the map, which is essential for buyers and renters. We'll do this on a desktop browser, so the tools are easy to find and use. Start by opening your browser and going to Zillow.com. In the search bar, type the property address and look closely at the options that appear as you type. Select the exact match from the dropdown so you land on the correct property page. Before you report anything, take a moment to verify you're truly on the right home. Confirm the street number, the street name, and the city. A quick double check here prevents sending a report about the wrong place, which can delay the fix you actually need. Once you're on the property details page, look for the More button. It's typically near the top right of the property facts area, close to the beds, baths, and square footage details. If it's not there right away, scroll down a bit to the main home facts section. This is where the button usually appears. Give the page a second to load if you've scrolled quickly. Sometimes the control appears after the rest of the details render. Next, choose the correct reporting path based on the property's status. If the home is off the market, click Report Problem with Home. If it's an active listing for sale or for rent, click Report Problem with Listing. This distinction matters because it routes your request to the right team, either public records or listing moderation, which speeds up handling and helps prevent back and forth. Follow the on-screen prompts and describe the address error clearly. Be precise about what needs to change. For example, change zip code from 81,004 to 81,005, or add missing unit number 402. If the address is tricky, add a brief clarifying note like a nearby landmark to reduce confusion. Keep the explanation focused on the address itself and avoid including any personal contact details or other sensitive information. Before you finish, review your notes for clarity, then click Submit. Zillow's team manually reviews these reports against verified data sources, so updates aren't instant. Give it a few business days and check back to see if the correction has been applied. If it's still pending, patience helps. Duplicating the same report can slow things down. And that is all for today. Correcting these details keeps the Zillow map accurate for everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and